Hello and welcome to NCTV episode 27, and this one's all about pillows. So we'll start with a bit of anatomy. The head weighs about 5 kilos, which is around 11 pounds, and the neck consists of 7 of the spine's vertebrae. With an intricate and easily compromisable structure, it's easy to see how neck pain, stiff necks and persistent headaches can occur, simply as a result of poor pillow support. Getting straight to the point, a good pillow should hold your head in the correct alignment in relation to your shoulders and spine, as though you were standing upright with the correct posture. Not enough support and your head will sink into the pillow too far, and too much the other way and you'll probably get a crick neck. So what to do? As with the advice with mattresses, it's best to try the pillows out before you make your final decision. And one test you can perform with somebody else's help is to lie on your side and get the other person to check whether your neck and upper back is in a straight line. The pillow should be in a position where it's tucked well into the neck and shoulder to support the head fully. A general top tip I'll throw in at this point: it's fine to lie on your sides and back, but ideally you want to try and avoid lying on your front if possible, as this puts a lot of strain through your neck from being in a forcefully rotated position for potentially hours on end. Back to pillows, and whether you have one or two, a rule of thumb is that they should be able to retain their shape throughout the night if they are to provide the head and neck support that is necessary. Now onto the different types of pillows that you can get, and there are goose down, duck down, feather, Fibre-Filled and Visco-elastic, latex or polyurethane foam, gel, and all sorts of combinations of all of these. The most popular ones tend to be the polyester type, and these can range from very soft to very firm, and the better quality ones are usually machine washable. Down and feather pillows usually provide good give to them. They're very durable and wash well, but be sure to check the type of feathers used. If they're chicken feathers, for example, then these get artificially curled, but that will eventually wear off and they might also smell. It's important to check the casing as well, just to make sure that the weave is very fine so that the feathers don't actually poke through, and it's good to also check the label for quality assurance. Remember though, as they are feathers, some people can have an allergic reaction to this. Foam and latex pillows tend to be firm with a bit of bounce to them, and these hold their shape well and are considered hypoallergenic. The specially moulded neck care pillows are usually made from foam or latex and are commonly used in conjunction with another softer pillow. At the risk of sounding a little bit too much like Alan Partridge at this point and getting overly technical on it all, I'll leave it there, but just with one last takeaway on pillow types, which is that it can be a good idea to choose a pillow that's based on the type of mattress you have. For example, if you have a memory foam mattress, then a memory foam pillow will be good to support the head and neck in the same way that the rest of the body is. So when it comes to the best pillows for your sleeping position, back and side sleepers would do well with a medium or medium to firm support, and for those with neck pain, memory foam pillows can be a good option to help that. If you do have to lie on your front, or you can't stop yourself from doing so in the night, then a softer feather pillow would be a better option for you to prevent overarching of the spine. So in terms of when you should replace your pillows, if you consider that they affect your sleeping posture and are next to your skin and nostrils, it's a good idea to invest in a quality one and replace it probably every 2 to 3 years for a healthy sleeping environment. Some ways to tell when this time has come: if your pillow loses its loft or height, becomes lumpy, discoloured or misshapen. And not to gross you out too much, but bear in mind any unwashed pillows could contain up to 10% of your skin scale, mould, dead or living dust mites and their allergen-laden droppings. And on that bombshell, if that hasn't convinced you to buy a new pillow by now, or at least wash your existing ones, then I don't know what will. That's all for this week's bite-sized bit to help your health flourish. Bye bye for now.